Namaste everyone. Today I am going to discuss cross multiplication method to solve pair of linear equations in two variables. So for that I took question number 1 and its fourth part, that is x minus 3y minus 7 equals to 0 and 3x minus 3y minus 15 equals to 0. So our question is x minus 3y minus 7 equals to 0 and 3x minus 3y minus 15 equals to 0. So for that I took the most general form, that is a1x plus b1y equals to c1 and a2x plus b2y equals to c2. So remember, we have to convert our equation in this form. First of all, take constant term to the right side. So our equations will be x minus 3y equals to 7 and 3x minus 3y equals to 15. I took these two general forms because mostly we are using them. So first of all, give equation 1 and equation 2 to your equations, and then let us give codes to the coefficients of x, y and constant terms. So coefficients of x will be 1 and coefficients of y will be 2 and the constant terms will be 3. And here I am using one code to solve this equation by cross multiplication method, and the code is 2312. Remember this code? Now how it will be useful, let us discuss further. So 2 we have given code for the coefficients of y. So under 2 we have to write the coefficients of y. These are minus 3 and in second equation also minus 3. And under 3 we have to write constant terms. These are 7 and 15. Under 1 we have to write coefficients of x. So these are 1 and 3. And under 2 we have to repeat it again, that is the coefficients of y. These are minus 3 and minus 3. So now let us solve it. So in the denominator of x we have to write cross multiplication of column 2 and column 3. So minus 3 into 15 is minus 45 and minus 3 into 7 is minus 21, and there will be minus between these two terms. And under y, the cross multiplication of column 3 and column 1. So 7 3s are 21 minus 15 1s are 15. So remember, there will be minus between these two terms. So minus 1 upon cross multiplication of last two columns, that is 1 into minus 3 and 3 into minus 3 minus 9. So now x upon, let us simplify, minus 45 as it is, and two same signs are there, so will be plus 21 equals to y upon 21 minus 15 is 6 and minus 1 upon minus 3 plus 9. So let us simplify more. X upon minus 45 plus 21 will be minus 24 equals to y upon 6 as it is equals to minus 1 upon minus 3 plus 9, that is 6. For the values of x, y, let us see how we have to solve it. So first of all, take first and last part of the equation, that is x upon minus 24 equals to minus 1 upon 6. Remember, you have to take one part with variable and one part without variable. Take 24 to the right side, it will go in multiplication. 6 4s are 24 and minus 1 into minus 4 will be 4. That is positive 4. Now for the value of y, let us take second and the last part, that is y upon 6 and minus 1 upon 6. So take 6 to the right side again, it will go in multiplication, and 6 1 ja 6, the value of y will be minus 1. So this was your cross multiplication method to solve the pair of linear equations. Here remember the code specially, that was 2 3 1 2, and your answers are x equals to 4 and y equals to minus 1, which is the required answer. Now let us solve first part of second question, that is for which value of a and b does the following pair of linear equations have an infinite number of solutions. First equation is 2x plus 3y equals to 7, and second equation is a minus b whole into x plus a plus b whole into y equals to 3a plus b minus 2. So our equations are 2x plus 3y equals to 7 and a minus b whole into x plus a plus b whole into y. Remember here the coefficients of x and y are a minus b and a plus b respectively, and in right side there is 3a plus b minus 2. So the given situation is that there are infinite number of solutions, and infinite number of solutions are in the case of coincident lines only, and you know the condition for it. It is a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 equals to c1 upon c2. So here a1 and a2 are 2 upon a minus b equals to 3 upon a plus b equals to 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. Now take any two equations to find out the value of a and b. So first of all I am taking part 1 and part 2 to form first equation. So it is 2 upon a minus b equals to 3 upon a plus b. Cross multiply, 2 whole into a plus b will be equals to 3 whole into a minus b. Now multiply inside, you will get 2a plus 2b, you know you have to multiply both of the terms, equals to 3a minus 3b. Bring 3a minus 3b to the left side. Their signs will be changed. And simplify them. 2a minus 3a will be minus a, and 2b plus 3b will be 5b equals to 0. So from here you are getting first equation in two variables to find out the value of a and b, and the equation is minus a plus 5b equals to 0. Name it equation 1 and let us find out the second equation. So for second equation I am taking second and third part, that is 3 upon a plus b equals to 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. Remember, you can take first and third part also. Cross multiply 3 whole into 3a plus b minus 2 equals to 7 whole into a plus b. Multiply 3 inside, 3 3s are 9a plus 3b minus 6 equals to 7a plus 7b. Now bring 7a plus 7b to the left and take 6 to the right side. So you will get the second equation 9a plus 3b as it is. Take 6 to the right side, then minus 7a minus 7b will be equals to 6. Now 9 minus 7 will be equals to 2a. Then 3 minus 7 will be equals to minus 4b, and this whole equals to 6. That is your second equation. Now we have to find out the value of a and b by solving these two linear equations, and here specially I will use cross multiplication method to solve this pair of linear equations. So let us give them codes 1 to 3 again. 1 to the coefficients of first column, 2 to the coefficients of second column, and 3 to the third column. And remember the number, that is 2 3 1 2, we used to use to find out the value of a and b. And between 2 and 3 there will be a, between 3 and 1 there will be b, and between 1 and 2 there will be minus 1. So under 2 you have to write coefficients of b, that is 5 and minus 4. Under 3 constant terms, these are 0 and 6. Under 1 minus 1 and 2, these are coefficients of a, and repeat 2 again. This was 5 and minus 4. Now cross multiply a upon 5 6 ja 30, and minus 4 into 0 0, so 30 minus 0. b upon 0 2 ja 0 minus 6 1 ja minus 6 equals to minus 1 upon minus 1 into minus 4, it will be 4, and 2 5s are 10, so 4 minus 10. Now to find out the value of a and b, first of all simplify them. There will be a upon 30 minus 0 30 equals to b upon minus of minus 6 will be positive 6 equals to minus 1 upon 4 minus 10 will be minus 6. Minus minus will be cancelled, and now take first and third to find out the value of a. So first was a upon 30 and third part was 1 upon 6. Take 30 to the right side, a will be equals to 1 upon 6 into 30, 6 1 ja 6, 6 5 ja 30, a will be 5. And to find out the value of b, we have to take second and third, that is b upon 6 equals to 1 upon 6. So the value of b will be 1 upon 6 into 6. 6 1 ja 6, so b will be 1. So a is 5 and b is 1 is the required solution. Thank you and keep smiling.